Hey guys, what's going on? This is Jonathan Palomo back at you, broadcasting from Lompoc. So here we go. I'm just going to do a quick review. I just got this in the mail right here. It's the HKS 3306 RA076 inner muffler exhaust silencer. So you can see, so this is actually going to go into a Manzo exhaust. It's a 4.5 inch tip. So this is a 115 millimeters, so this actually fits quite snugly right inside. This on eBay, it was like 50 bucks each. Had to get two because I have a dual exhaust. It's the GS400. Came with an aftermarket exhaust, which was cool in the beginning, don't get me wrong. But then just thing being a daily driver. Oh. So the exhaust isn't, it's pretty loud right now. It's not that bad, but it's like once I start driving, I get it up to about like 1,800 RPMs. It's like, yep, looky there. Just slide right in. Here we go. Line it up. It doesn't look too bad. This is the tricky part. Just gonna go ahead and, oh! Got like a locking washer right there. So yeah, look, I can do this one hand. Woo! Actually, maybe I should tighten it a bit more. I wouldn't want this thing to freaking fly off on the highway or something. This thing just, pew! So this is actually pretty tight on here, this first one. Right, there we go. Got them both on. Can't really tell, actually. Not too bad. That's the exhaust. Right off the bat, I immediately notice a big difference. All right, we're gonna go for a quick spin around the block. Let's see, here we go. Wow, what a difference. I can actually enjoy the ride now. Before it was like, oh, just horrible. Especially in the car. Holy crap. It's just too loud. It would just annoy. You know, if I'm running a little bit late, so I'd kind of get on it and like go pretty fast. Bringing it up to like 5,000 or 6,000 RPMs. Holy crap, thing got freaking loud. Like I would show up to work and my ears were ringing, and it's probably about a 10-minute drive from where I live to work. Now I'm actually enjoying the ride. I can cruise, I can listen to my music. Like right now it's actually pretty low. Before I couldn't even hear, you wouldn't even hear like just some of the instruments or the lyrics. It just, as far as ride quality, yeah, this is way better. You can enjoy it now. Wow. Annoying, freaking, I mean, just, oh man, couldn't take it anymore. Anyways, the best freaking $100 I have invested in a long time. So I'm happy. Car sounds great still. Definitely solved my problem. That's 100%, and it looks great. You can't really tell that they're on there. But yeah, there we go, HKS. Thank you. All right, you guys take care.